Alright guys, so good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I know you all are seeing my clock. And the clock me I show the people. The clock, and it is now 6. It's now 6:05. Call it 6:06 because it's coming off the 1. And I am up. Let me show you guys outside to verify that it is in the morning. Like, let me show you guys what's going on. It's morning time, guys. Morning time. So your girl is up this early. I woke up at 5:45 time ago because I have appointment at 7 o'clock. So I have my first fusion lash appointment, and then I have to do my nails right after. So I'll get ready quick, and then come back because I need to leave the house by at least 6:25. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself if you're not always watching. Come back, something bite me mad. I just took a shower in my toilet here, so big up on yourself until we come back to the next clip. Alright guys?
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
I'm leave out now, and I'm heading out. I'm late as usual. If you know me, you know me can't do better. I'm not that late, but I left a little bit later than I wanted to. So let's just hope when I go to the taxi stand. Beside me dark. Let's hope when I go to the taxi stand, there's a taxi there waiting for just one passenger, and that's me. Alright, so I try to focus on hustling to move faster, so I'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, so I am now in Linstead, and the appointment was 7. I was late on my time, of course. I got here now, which is 7:24, 25. But I still gotta be waiting because I'm here, so yeah, so that's that. So the store is supposed to be down here, somewhere downstairs. So I'm just waiting to see what's up and what's what. So yeah. Hi guys, so I got my lashes done. Are you guys seeing properly? It's so dark. I got my lashes done. These are the classic. I mean, I'll show you guys a better view after. Not so clear now, but I'm at juicy, and I'm going to have a butter patty and a bottle of water just to kill some time to wait on the nail tech to get to her shop. So yeah.
Sometimes, and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
Guys, I'm still in Linstead, but on the last lap now to go home. In the machine, getting some cash to do a little business, and then straight home. Yep, so that's what's up. When we go, I'm showing the nails properly and the lashes in a better lighting and so forth. Alright guys, today I wore these cute slides on the road. Oh my god, they're so cute. I got them from my aunt-in-law. That's what you call it? Yes. They're so cute. They're so cute. Like, honestly, I love them. I really love them, and it looks so nice with the anklet around my ankle and all of that. In the bag though, some steaming fried chicken. You know what? Because yesterday we made baked chicken. I not even get to look what the man put in the box, you know, but I don't want to pull it. I guess I'm reach from. Yesterday we made some steaming fried chicken, some baked chicken I should say, but the chicken it come like it touched a little bit. The chicken seemed as if it is touched a little bit because babes I cooked yesterday. The skin did look funny and it did just look crazy. And babe was saying that today probably I'm not sure if that we want to eat for dinner, so buy fried chicken. So that's what's up for today, and I'll let you guys see the chicken when I go home. So yeah. So guys, you come at me taking water because I totally forgot that I mentioned in the video that when I got home I would have showed the chicken. The chicken was very nice. It fried good, tastes good. Roadside chicken and I don't know the shrimps. Yeah, it was really good. Alright guys, so I got home. I took a shower and I'm here. I was going through the videos and I totally forgot that I mentioned that I was going to give you guys a better look of the fusion lashes. So so them first time doing fusion. How it feels like, you know, them lash dead, them single lashes that them used to use. Are people still using hair glue? It feels like that. Only thing is that it's finer and it takes up more time. And oh my god, let's not talk about time. This took, I went to the shop. She started at, let's say, 7:40, and when I got out of the chair it was about 9:20. So it took like literally almost 2 hours. I was so overworked with this entire process. It was thing that, but yeah, I mean, would I consider doing this again? Not a every month thing. Probably like another occasion like my birthday or something very, very important, something I want it last long. You understand? But if not, I'll just work with the strips, like, you know, the regular strips of my glue on and go take off and reach home. Yeah. If you guys like it though, you guys can go check. I know my ear look funny because I pulled it out. It was in one, but who's watching that? You guys can go check her out at Extreme. I think it's Extreme Beauty Bar. I'm going to leave it on the screen right over here for you guys to see the details. You can find her on Instagram. So Extreme Beauty Bar, you guys can go check her out. Yep. Nails now, moving on to the nails. So this is what I got for my nails. Same thing on the other hand. I went to the nail shop telling her that I want something that is screaming summer to me. Like when me hold up my hand and it's like me look, me can say yes, my fingernail them says summer. I really love this one. I really think I should have got this one done like this, although it's okay, not bad, but I really like this one. Nice. Yeah, I like the one. They're kind of different, not me. I think next time I would really like do more of them like this, like different stud design, but like the acrylic pattern, I really love that one. So I mean, that's what's up. My head hurt me. I have this headache, like I'm not hungry because I came home and had the chicken and rice. So I know I'm not hungry, but I feel like something strike me in my head. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair done, so you guys can stay tuned for that, and that's what's up. That's what's up, guys. Okay, so I wanted to move these two mirrors because right now they don't make no sense to me anymore. At first they were making sense, but now they not make no sense because here what, look, when I look in the mirror, you have to piece on me up here, and then you have one next piece of me down there. So you have seen all of me. Yeah, sit up on me, then in a so cut off, and then you have to down this on me. So I'm gonna take them down and put them over here. So and then this one over here. So now I'm gonna just put it over this. So yeah.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to.
So guys, see what makes sense now? This make more sense. This, and I put my stool right there. So this make more sense. This make way more sense to me. And my stool can be right here. Yeah. No, don't mind the door. Don't mind the door. This is how the landlord gave it to us. And I really want to get rid of it looking like this. But we're not get to that yet. So, yeah. So, I can take better pictures. Better full mirror pictures. And I can look at myself more, you know. Full. Get a fuller view. More and so yeah. That's what's up.
But they never look so.
What do you mean my eyelash they never look so? Oh, me look.
Look at my witch. Doesn't look. You look. You make it look like one witch.
Look like one witch?
Yeah, like
Oh, me look like witch, yes, babe.
one of them little
But I always wear eyelash.
cool.
I always wear eyelash. People, audience haven't seen one witch. Which part me look like one witch? Where? I guess that's what he thinks. I don't think that. I don't think that, and I'm not seeing that. Morning, next day. Hey guys, what's up? Well, I'm gonna fix my chin. Alright, what's up? I have all sorts of things in my hand. I'm never just carry one bag. I have ear water, earphone, and my bag across me. Today is the next day. Oh, I said that before. Only the rest are teach class. I could not take my summer sign up for summer school. You're mad? Must be mad. I say I'm mad at one lady. I wipe off her door. Don't have look for me like over the yard there. Never to see her. Anyways, yeah, just a time. But I need to comb here now because right down there, so in the plaza down there, so the areas are located. Babe has been saying that I look like a witch with these eyelashes. I say, why not take off the double and put B backside? So yeah. So anyways, I get my hair done today. So one pack of bread, which means bread make a braid my ear. You guys will see that when that's all done. Then my mom went and collect some packages for me. So I told her to leave it somewhere in Yorkton. So I'm going to collect that after. And then we probably might end up instead. And that's gonna be that. But right now my whole mind is like on, is the machine done here working? Because I have to draw money to buy. No, I can buy 2 pack a year. I can buy 2 more pack a year. I have that the money there. But for paid hairdresser, I don't have that in cash. It's on the plastic, so let's open the machine in that turns plastic to cha-ching is working. So that's what's up. Ear catch me, son. Let the ear catch me. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do my ear shit down there, so squeeze eye. Yep. Last time I braided my hair with the cornrows to the back, that was the same place I went in. Get it done. So yeah, me walking. Long time I not show them steps here. Who remember them steps here? Me always a feature in a videos. Whether I'm walking up it or down it. And a few more to go. Guys, this is my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. Good little length. I'm going to let babe video it and have a better view. Excuse my dirty ass mirror. Yeah. So I'm gonna let babe do a better video and show you the back and everything. Nothing too extra, but it's simple and nice. So I'm gonna let babe do that and then you guys can see. Like I really like it. Like the first me I tried. Why said it have made my face look big and broad? Wanna think? Babe, come now. B. I'm gonna let babe video all of it and show you guys. So guys, this is the hair. So this is how it looks from the front. Length alright. It's not really tight, but it just tend a little bit because the hairdresser, she always had the ear tight. So I had to be constantly reminding her, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight. And I always tell her so it's tight, it's just still a grip onto it, but she did a good job. I actually like it. This is the back. As I said, not fussy, something simple. And the length, you see what like babe from it go down. I have to go down for show the length. So this is it in the back. So I was the one who went with the style to show her what I want. But at first I wanted the center to be like, you know, the center Kero that what me not get copyright because Grizzly play music. I wanted like the centerpiece Kero, and she said it wouldn't look good. It not gonna look good because it not gonna fall well run her back. So she just quickly cut that out, and then I told her to give me something like, you know, not so simple because it was just gonna be straight, simple down. And I told her, give me one little style. So she gave me this, which I really like this. It looks like a scorpion mouth up at the top, and my the sign there, whatever month is a scorpion, something like that. And she gave me like a two little X something, not too fancy. And I wanna like the lashes them. Honestly, they are, when I look at it now, I don't think I'm gonna do it again. Like, I don't know, me have to get comfortable with it before. Me not like it, people. It's like it hot and you're so tender. Me not like, oh, and you're so feel. I'm not sure it's whose fault or whatever, but me not like, oh, it feels tender under here. So like under here so feel tender. Like it just hot. So my nails done, my hair done, my lashes done, and yeah, your girl is ready for whatever is coming out. Hey guys, I also got some packages today. These are for myself. I'm gonna do a video on these stuff. So I'm gonna do a separate video with these Amazon stuff because I really want to show you guys what's inside these. Guys, how cute are these? Oh my god, how cute are these? It won't brush off a little bit, but who cares? People, I mean, you guys would have seen this in the vlog. I really don't sure which one I'm going to post first, but how cute are these? And yeah, they're not the real one. No, not the real one, but I'm gonna get the real ones. Yeah, but you know, it came with one of the fake thingy what they call it, giblins, whatever, gibbies or something like that. I just pop it out and put in the good one name, the good gal one name. I'm gonna buy it from Amazon at Galty. Cute bags. Yeah guys, so I love it. Love it. So guys, I'm gonna bounce like a cereal right now, hungry bad. But this is where I'm gonna end up the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Big up on yourself, my hungry bad. I don't know what's for dinner, but let's see you.